Big Jew fish. Here we go, guys. Resistance paid off. This is over a meter and that one's 80 centimeters.
80 centimeters.
Yeah, yes. Yeah. Jew fish na naman. Another Jew fish. Pailaw natin, master. Uy, pumunta sa line mo. Lakas oh. Hi guys, welcome back to our video. This is Jake from Drone Cats Pinoy channel, and that's Dondon right there. We're gonna be night fishing in these rocks today. That's the spot we're gonna be fishing. Hopefully we can catch some bait, bonito, or maybe jewfish or tailor. So it's just the sunset and then coming tide. So it's a bit of a walk from the main parking area and then here in this rocky ledges, because I have a recent knee injury, the ACL repair, so I'm just really being careful when getting down or dealing with these rocks here, guys. So yeah, very important to be careful. And yeah, if there's a big wave later on, we've got an exit route, we know what to do. Alright, so this is the spot and let's get into fishing. So we're just gonna set up our bait, sabiki jig. Fish on. Taylor? Mackerel. Wow! Woo! Ayos! Mackerel o galunggong oh. Alright guys, ready for the first cast. Are we gonna get a lucky first cast? It's a deep, very deep spot in here. Okay, fish on. Fish on. Woohoo! Laki oh. Yan, yan. Ko lang alam. Taylor?
Pain, master, pain.
Pinarito pa naman namin yung nakuha namin kanina.
Must be undersized. Kuha na mas malaki. We're gonna get a bigger one, guys. So setup is just the CG Ger 10-6 rod and Sahara 4000. Okay, fish on. Woo! Laki oh.
Laki ng bonito yung Lahat.
Bonito. Dalawa sana yun ba? There was 2 fish in there. Phew. I'm gonna bleed him quickly, guys.
Kalikat ko eh. Patatanggalan mo na asang?
Breed lang, master.
Oo. Pala, may red ball pala dapat eh.
So, bakit tanggalan ng dugo doon?
Para di malangsa. Alright. Another one. So I just bled the bonito, guys, so it's not too bloody and too fishy. That's the best way to preserve your fish meat. Bleed them straight away and put them in ice. That's a garfish, guys. Garfish, yeah.
Ano yung pang jig mo, master?
Ha?
Ano yung pang jig mo?
Wala. Ano lang ako, mag-bait lang ako.
Hindi ako mag-ano. Ako mag-jig.
Ah. Taylor for live bait. Ouch.
Pinapain na yan?
What is that, boy? Fish?
So we're gonna put him as a live bait. Let's see if we can get a big one, eh?
Welcome back, Don.
So I tried to catch a live try to cast a live bait, guys. Hopefully convert to a bigger fish. So we're just gonna have to wait and wait.
Dami nilang umili. 10 siguro eh. Sige.
Nakahuli na daw ng bonito si ano, si Franco.
Okay, we can feel some bites. Hope there's gonna be a big fish.
Kagaya sa akin, no?
Okay, yeah, come on. It's really good to have this fresh mackerel bait because it's too smelly and oily. It's so nice, guys, to be out here. Look at that. It's so relaxing. It's raining now, but we had a solid hit. Not sure what was that, but it felt like a big fish. Yeah. Fish on? I think, yeah, we've got a fish on. Fish on, it's a stingray. Woohoo! Stingray, master. Stingray. Stingray. Yeah. Just gonna release this. Come on. Stingray, master. I'm gonna release him, guys. Phew. The big fish are not here. It's just a stingray, baby stingray. Alright guys, so we're just gonna set up our 14,000 rig. This is gonna be the heavy setup. I don't think we have enough baits there. Let's see if we can catch something. And this is the dingle dangle setup that we're gonna be using. Perfect. I'll show you how to set this up. So this is the first time we're using this Vex, and the Vex cotton. So I'm just gonna put this one first on the hook. So this is just a cotton to secure the bait in place. And how it works is this one with a float, it's gonna keep our bait up, away from the stingrays, away from snags. This is the bait cotton by Vex that I'm using. And we want to make sure everything's covered with our bait. Anything we include it there, you know, even this one, innards of the fish, everything. This is gonna disperse a lot of smell. So bait elastic, you can buy this from Tackle West or any bait shops. So that's the bait right there. It's gonna be suspended in the air, and I've hooked it on my 3-way swivel, and this one goes to our sinker, and this is for the main line. So that's just an easy setup. Okay, so this one we're just waiting for a big bite. I'm pretty sure it's gonna go off. So Dundon has just caught a whiting. Good job. Fish on. Woohoo! Yun. Lakas.
Nice one.
Kaso inaano niya sa bato, master.
Kung kailangan mo bumaba ro, master, oh.
Tama eh. Yan natin lang. Mukhang snapper ah.
Okay, ha. Snapper.
Eh, inan ako sa bato, master. Stuck sa bato. Stuck siguro ako, master. Yeah. Antayin ko lang mapagod. Lalabas naman yan eh. It's right there. Ah, stuck sa bato, master.
Stuck sa bato?
Oo. Ayun oh. Laki. Sa akin
Master?
natin babain.
Babayin ko.
Yung gap mati, master.
Ha?
Yung gap. It's just right there, guys. Underneath the rocks. It's already stuck in the rocks. Ingat ha.
Wala. Wala. Ano mo natin?
Sige, sige. Yung nylon eh, na ano, master. Yung line natin na gagasgas. Ingat ha, ingat. Dun. Come on, dun. Anong isda?
Kablo ba?
Ha?
Kablo.
Lalabas yan. Jewfish? Nice. Malaki? I-gap mo na, i-gap mo na. Ay, buksan mo muna yung gap. Sarado yan. Yun. Woohoo! Nice jewfish. Pasok na, pasok.
Higap, master.
Ah.
Laki rin.
Woo! Nice one. That was a Jewy. Woo! Guys. Could be over a meter long. Laki na, master. Salamat, master. Nice.
Lunok niya pala, oh.
Look niya, no?
Lunok, oh.
Walang takas. Woohoo! Nice one. Ay, off mo yung ilaw mo, master. Yan. Ayos.
Lalo.
Master. Buti yan dyan ka.
Pumasok na sa gitna ng bato, eh.
Oo.
Oo. So
Na-shoot na siya dun, no?
Oo, na-shoot na, eh. Kung hinatak mo, putol talaga na.
Malalim, master. Baka makagat ako eh. Ayos. Ayun pa oh. Bait oh. Okay kayo.
Buti na pala, may gap tayo.
Oo, sabi kasi magagamit yung gap eh.
Magagamit yung gap, eh. Ah, laki.
This one. Big Jewfish. Here we go, guys. Woohoo! Woohoo! Thanks, Dondon, for the gaff. Well done.
Well done, yeah.
So it's like over a meter, master.
Yeah, I reckon it's over a meter.
Over a meter. Measure natin.
Yeah.
Let's see if I have my measuring. Record pa siya.
Ah.
Ito meron, master. Record pa yan, master.
Continue.
Okay. Let's check, guys, how long he is. 80. Around 80 master.
Around 80.
80. 80 centimeters Jewfish. Not bad.
Not bad, yeah.
Well done. Okay. Salamat, master.
Okay.
So that was on a dingle dangle, guys, by Vex, where we got the Jewfish using the head of this garfish.
Oh, lakas ng ilaw ah.
Another fish on. Ay, nawala, master.
Mata ko na.
Ah, yun. Yeah! Jewfish na naman! Another Jewfish. Pailaw natin, master. Uy, pumunta sa line mo. Lakas oh. Pumunta sa line mo. Doon pa rin natin i-gaff.
Ay, saan, master?
Pumunta siya doon sa kwan eh. Jewfish na naman to, master. Vex is very effective. Whoop. Pasa ko sa yung gap. Master, oh. Patong mo lang. Okay. Dundon's gonna gaff that for us. Can you see him? Teka, ano ka nyan? Just gonna move him here on this side. Jewfish? Woohoo! Angat ko lang. Sige. Hawak mo yung leader. Op, yung rod mo. Sige, gap. Yeah. Gap mo na. Nice one doon. Gap. Hasang. Uy, mas malaki yan. Oo. Woohoo. Nice one. Ay ka lang. Yeah boy.
Teka, doon na yung mga natin.
Nice one. Woo. Vex. Laki nito.
Laki, no?
Oo.
Sige.
Saan gunting, master? Putulin ko na to line ko. Putulin ko yung line ko. Tayo magpan. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Oh, dalawang hook. Alright, guys. Thanks, Don. Sukatin natin yan. Ilang meters. We don't have a brag mat, but he's gonna be over over a ruler.
90.
Kaya ipaano mo pag pagilid.
Paano pag ganito?
Oh, yan na.
Di ba, sir?
So this is ilang kanto? 17. This is 80 centimeters. 80 yan.
Ilang break natin?
Oo. 80.
Parang 100.
Ganyan.
20.
Oh.
100.
100. 1 meter. Over a meter long. Whew. It's good.
Sige, sa kabila.
Lumiit oh.
Laki nga.
Oo. 100 meters. 100 meters. And 1 meters. Nice one, guys. Thank you, Don, for your gaffing. Well done. Well paid off. Effort is paid off. So guys, that's hard work paid off by yours truly and Don Don. We're here. It was raining, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got wet from the rain, and then persistence paid off. Yes. Very effective. Why didn't I use this setup before? 2 Jewfish, guys, on a Vex setup. Ew.
Para maugasan sana yung mga rats ko, ano?
Oh. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching our video. I'll see you in the next one. Oh.